Haha, friends, welcome to Gordon Show. I found the word slush fund. SLUSH slush fund. This next time you will is what any amount which is kept aside for illegal purposes by politics. I don't know why when I don't know why whenever there is any issue about politics, now I get to laugh a lot. I just simply can't stop laughing when it comes to politics. Yes, never mind. Let's come back to our own sphere. Yeah. So, do I have any slush fund? No, friends, I don't have any funds. Absolutely forget slush fund. I don't have any funds to feed my stomach now. I'm so much star-crossed that we don't have food to eat, but yet I continue to smile. This is the power. This is the internal strength. I always empower my students. My training is not only teaching them active voice, passive voice, direct speech, indirect speech, noun, adjective, verb, adverb. No, I teach them something else. The reason why they say, sir, if we had found someone like you, our life would have been transformed considerably. Anyway, so this is my way of conducting myself, but there has been some resistance, of course. When you take serene path, when you choose to be serene, pure, when you try, to do something for the society, for the betterment, especially for the new generation, there is resistance. Okay, you go to booze like fish, all doors are open. You go to for eve teasing, all gardens are open. You go to kill someone, the stores are open which can supply you with pistols, arms, ammunitions, चाकू, छुरी, चॉपर, कोयता, और क्या क्या होता है मुझे नहीं मालूम, मैं उसमें कभी गिरा नहीं. So those stores are open which can give you the weapons to kill someone. When you want to do something like a godly service, there have been several fences and you have to go on tossing over each and every fence. Thank you, friends. Thank you.